Hello guys, this is a video channel from Global Aviation. Global Aviation is one of the leading institute in the field of aviation study. My name is Rafi. So all of you are very welcome to the channel Global Aviation once again. Here we will discuss the scope of the industry, how to find a job in the field of aviation. It can be a TRC, it can be a load controller, it can be a loading team supervisor, it can be a check-in staff, airline security, loader, driver, etc. Or we will discuss the duties and responsibilities of all the job which I mentioned a short while ago. Actually, what is the meaning of aviation, or what is aviation? Aviation is a transportation industry by using the aircraft or commercial aircraft. In other words, aviation is a transportation industry. Transportation means the transportation of the passenger, transportation of the cargo, transportation of the mail, etc. In this world, there is three modes of transportation. One is land, another one water, and the third one is air, where you can apply for the job. That is another important question from the candidate who is studying for the course of aviation. You can apply for the job either in an airline or in a ground handling company. Airline means the carrier. It can be domestic carrier or international carrier. There is lot of examples. Etihad, Emirates, SpiceJet, Air India, Sri Lankan Airline, all these airlines having their own IATA 2-letter codes to identify the airline. For example, EK4 Emirates, QR4 Qatar Airways, 6E4 Indigo, SG4 SpiceJet, UL4 Sri Lankan. These IATA codes are prescribed by IATA, International Air Transport Association. But this airline, the opportunities are very limited because the opportunities depends on the frequency of the operation. Secondly, you can apply for the job in a ground handling company. What is the meaning of a ground handling company, or what is the role of a ground handling company in an airport? Ground handling companies are responsible to provide all the services which are required by the airline. So the opportunities are very wide because the ground handling companies are providing the services of check-in, the security services, loading service, load and trim services. All the services are providing by the ground handling company. So we will discuss the duties and responsibilities of certain jobs which I mentioned earlier. So the course will help you to find a job in the field of aviation. As per ICAO, International Civil Aviation Authority, every airport or each and every airport have minimum 2 ground handling companies. Ground handling companies are responsible to provide the services which are required by the airline. Why ICAO suggesting at least 2 ground handling companies required in each and every airport to avoid the monopoly, or it create the competition? What are the example for the ground handling companies? BWFS, Bird Worldwide Services, Globe Ground India, CAS, Qatar Aviation Services, Danata, Celebi. There is a lot of agencies are available operating in the airport. So the opportunities are very wide to get a job in this ground handling company. These companies are providing all the services. What are the services required for an airline need to check in the passengers? The airline required to sort the baggage, loading the aircraft, sorting the cargo. All these services are provided by the ground handling company. As I said, the opportunities are very wide in a ground handling company. Why? These ground handling companies are providing the services of check-in, security, loading, water service, baggage sorting. All the services are provided by the ground handling company. Guys, we will discuss about certain documents which are essential for the operation purpose. We will discuss about the LDM. What is the meaning of LDM? LDM means load distribution message. The document disclose about the incoming load of an aircraft. Suppose you are working in a Cochin station and you got the allocation of QR517 which is operating from Doha to Kochi, and you are working as a loading team supervisor or loading agent. So it is very important to carry the document LDM, because the document disclose all the details of the incoming load. Another document is CPM, container pallet message. We will discuss about the UCM, unit control message, how to send a UCM. We will discuss about LIRF, loading instruction report form. We will discuss how to prepare a load and trim sheet. Load and trim sheet is an important document which is prepared by the load controller. Without the load and trim sheet, the aircraft is not able to fly. So we will touch all the elements of the activities relating to the ground handling, and we will continue the class for a few months, and you can expect every alternative days with the duration of maximum up to 10 minutes. Guys, you can send the queries and you can ask the question relating to the aviation by mail. Thank you for watching the video.